Is it possible to actually change your mindset? In Chapter 8 of Mindset, Carol Dweck brings us a practical and powerful message. Not only can you shift from a fixed to a growth mindset, but you can help others do it too. This chapter is a transformation toolkit. Dweck shows that our beliefs aren't hardwired. They're taught through experiences, words, and expectations. That means they can also be retrained. Mindsets are habits of thought, and like any habit, they can change with intention and practice. Dweck shares multiple workshops and experiments where people of all ages learned about the brain's ability to grow. When students understood neuroplasticity, the brain's power to build new connections, they started working harder, enjoying challenges, and raising their grades. Even adults in business and relationships changed how they viewed effort, mistakes, and feedback. Dweck introduces her program Brainology, which teaches students how the brain grows through challenge. Kids said things like, "You mean I can actually get smarter?" Teachers reported improved effort, resilience, and a love for learning. When people see their abilities as changeable, they stop fearing failure and start embracing opportunity. Dweck outlines the core steps to shifting your mindset. Recognize the fixed mindset voice in your head. Talk back with a growth mindset message. Take action, practice, learn, and stretch yourself. Repeat until it becomes your new default. She reminds us change doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen with effort and awareness. Mindsets are not identities, they're beliefs, and beliefs can change. Chapter 8 is a reminder that you are not stuck with the mindset you have. Whether you're a student, parent, artist, or entrepreneur, growth is always possible. Ready to train your brain to think bigger? Start by catching your fixed mindset thoughts and flipping them into fuel for growth. Like, share, and subscribe to Bookworms for the final chapters of this life-changing journey. Let's grow together, one chapter at a time.